Windows 7 Explorer keyboard shortcut. Set focus to file/folder/content area. Is there a Windows 7 Explorer keyboard shortcut to set focus to file/folder/content area, depicted below? This has bothered me for so long. I want to set my Explorer Windows focus to the Files pane, shown below. What's the most efficient way to do that with a keyboard? Here's what I've been doing. Tab, Shift plus Tab to move focus through interactive window elements until it looks like a selection rectangle appears over one of the files in my window. Alt plus V, Alt plus D to change appearance setting of a folder contents icons. Doesn't always work, depending on what's selected at the time.
You can use Auto Hotkey to move the keyboard focus to the file pane. In this example, I use the hotkey Win plus space. See also Auto Hotkey, Hotkeys.
Try Control plus Tab, that should do it. For the record, the terminology you are referring to is called Property Tab Navigation. Properties Control.
Control plus E, or Control plus F, followed by Escape. Works in Windows 7, 8.1, 10.
I came here because I'm looking for a solution too. The fastest way I found to do that was to go back and forth, use Alt plus Up and then Enter. Almost always works.
If you want full support, please consider subscribing.